Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth and making the recipient device discoverable. This creates the radio link you need. Open the app you want to send and choose its share or send option, then select Bluetooth as the transfer method. When a device appears in the list, tap it to initiate pairing. Make sure you accept the pairing PIN on both devices. Once paired, the app package is queued for transfer, and you'll see a progress indicator. Keep both screens awake while data moves. Once the transfer starts, verify the app package size and any permission prompts so you understand what's being installed on the target device. If the file is large, make sure both devices have adequate battery or stay plugged in, because interruptions can corrupt the file. Keep an eye on the progress meter. If the platform supports pause and resume, use that to stabilize a weak connection. Also, ensure the receiving device accepts installs from the source, since security settings can block the final installation. When the transfer finishes, install the app on the recipient device and grant any runtime permissions it requests. This completes the handoff. Once installed, open the app and test its core features to confirm integrity and that no files were lost in transit. If something goes wrong, first restart Bluetooth on both devices and retry pairing, then resend the package. If failures persist, clear Bluetooth, cache, or use an alternative method like Wi-Fi Direct or a cable. These steps resolve most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.